Driving success for our customers, that's in essence what we do. With over 100 years of experience, Nissens has become the trusted partner for the automotive aftermarket when it comes to engine cooling, climate and efficiency. With a large sales team in the European markets, we know what is going on in the markets, we know the requirements, and we can support your business. On top, Nissens has a unique training concept. We have over 20 technical trainers in the European markets, speaking all the major European languages. Backed up by a strong logistic footprint, Nissens is known for its high service level. We have 2 central warehouses and 11 distribution centers. We can guarantee fast delivery, high service levels, and we can get the products, if necessary, in less than 24 hours to your place. Backed up by SMP, we continue to launch new product lines. After successful launches of throttle bodies, EGF valves, we are now on a new journey. Together with SMP, we launched AC hoses and ignition coils, partially manufactured in-house in Europe. Driving success for our customers. That's in essence what we do.